Hey friends, if you wish to install Google Chrome on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now you won't find Google Chrome in your Microsoft Store search. You can check for it if you want to. The reason is that Google is Microsoft's rival, so they don't publish each other's applications. Now here's what you can do in this case. Go to google.com. Don't go to Bing. Go to Google and hit enter. And then type Chrome download and hit enter. Now go to download Google Chrome and click on download Chrome and then click on open. Okay, now this is how you can install Chrome. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.